Hello everyone, welcome once again to our channel. This is Crypto Bounty. Presently, there is a surge in the crypto space concerning new projects, especially gaming, and then most of these do their mining through Twitter farming, through social engagements, and all this can only take place when we have idea or understanding of how these things work. So for you to participate and work in this space of crypto through earning through Twitter farming and social engagements, there are certain apps that you must necessarily have. And so I'm doing this for beginners, those who are just coming into the crypto space, who are participating in mining, airdropping, farming, and so on and so forth, for them to know how to begin, things to pay attention to. So, for instance, if you want to begin your journey in mining apps or through airdrop, through social engagement and farming, Twitter farming, these are apps that you must have. First and foremost, you must have Mises or Kiwi browser. You can choose any of them. If you want to use Mises, no problem. If you want to use Kiwi browser, no problem. But they are specifically designed for Web3, for participating in crypto projects. But for me as a person, I prefer Mises because of its richness and its beautiful interface and so on. Then you must have Twitter. It's a given. You must have a Twitter account. You must have a Telegram account. You must have a Discord. These three are the most important: Twitter, Telegram, Discord. But Instagram is optional. Not all projects demand you to follow them on Instagram or like or do anything. Facebook is also optional, but these three or these four, Mises browser or Kiwi browser, or if possible, if you can have both, X, formerly called Twitter, Telegram, and Discord. These are all you need to begin your journey in the Web3 crypto space through farming and social engagement. So let us explore them one after the other. Let us begin with Mises browser. Okay, when you open Mises browser, you have this interface before you. You can see how rich it is. We have Mises features. Okay, most of us can no longer participate in this. When Mises browser came out newly and they were trying to grow, some people were able to mine, but now for you to mine, it's just like Bitcoin, you must have to put some funds. So that is not basically a concern. So let us begin with Web3. If you check Web3, so you see these are many platforms that engage in airdrop. So you can see them, airdrops platforms. You can see them. We have, I think the most popular of them all is Galaxy. Galaxy is very good. Okay, we have Question N, we have Task On, then we have another one that is very popular is okay, layer 3 is not that popular. Okay, where is that one? Where is that one? Okay, I'm not seeing it here, but Galaxy, this one's very important. Question N, Task On, this one. So you see these are well-known and genuine platforms that bring opportunity for you to participate in airdrop. So you can see how rich the browser is. If you scroll, we are going to have what they call DEX. DEX means decentralized exchanges. So in the crypto space, we have what they call centralized and decentralized exchanges. So many centralized exchanges also have their own decentralized exchanges. So you have Uniswap, PancakeSwap, and so on and so forth. And you can see OKX, for instance, is a centralized exchange, but it also has a part of each decentralized exchange. So all these ones, maybe you are looking for a decentralized exchange rather than going to anyhow link to get anyhow place to get the link, which may be a scam. If you come to Mrs. Browser, you can get a list of the verified decentralized exchanges in the crypto space through which you can do swapping or exchanging your cryptocurrencies. You can see how many there are very many. Then after that, you see the NFT spaces which you use, where these are not primarily our concern. So our primary concern is for the extensions. Yes, extensions. So let us begin with the extensions. Extensions has to do with many of these apps that are known like Trust Wallet, MetaMask, all these things, but they can also work. There's a way you can install them as extensions on your browser, and then you are able to use them to engage in your mining or airdrop tasks. So you can see OKX Wallet, Trust Wallet, MetaMask, and so on. So you can see there are different value. You have the multi-chain, okay, multi-chain deal with all the different chains you can think about, whether Ethereum, whether Binance Smart Chain, and so on. Then we have EVM. EVM mean Ethereum Virtual Machine. So most of these wallets are basically built as EVM, but they can still support others. So you like MetaMask, you can see it's just an EVM wallet. Then we have BRC20, the different wallet extensions. But the ones that are very of much importance to us, is first and foremost, we have the MetaMask, we have the Trust Wallet, then we have the OKX, the Biget, and so on. You can choose as many. But how to navigate and to use them, that is our concern. So we shall proceed to see how to use them. So I already have MetaMask, OKX Wallet, and Trust Wallet extensions installed in my Mrs. browser, so it might not be feasible for me to use them as examples. So let me use one. Okay, let's take for instance Trust's token pocket. Let us for instance want to, in case we want to install token pockets as a wallet extension in our Mrs. browser. So all we have to do is to click token pockets. This will take you to the Chrome Web Store where you have extensions. So unlike Kiwi, if it were to be Kiwi browser, you will have to go to the store, where I'll still explain that interface, but just the difference. But this will be basically what to do. So once we get here, you can zoom your screen and then swap to the right. So you are going to see this add to Chrome. So you click it, and then it can prompt to ask you if you really want to add it, then click OK. Okay, once you see this remove from Chrome, it means that it is now installed as a Chrome extension in your phone. So sometimes it might open up this way on its own automatically, but if it doesn't open up, what you have to do is look at this icon. This is the extension icon. Click it, and you are going to see all your extensions you have installed. So I can simply click token pocket, and then this will open up. Or another way is this: I can touch these three horizontal lines, sorry, three dots, vertical dots, and then I'll touch the extensions, and once I touch it, it will bring up for me the list of extensions. Okay, now token pocket is here. All we have to do is to click start, and it's basically the same interface. So you will be asked if you want to import a wallet or you want to create wallet. So let us begin by creating a new wallet, and then you'll be asked to set your password. So once you set your password, you can look for other options like this. I have read and agreed to the terms of use, so just accept it by ticking the box or highlighting, choosing whatever option. Then you click create. So once you do that, most of them will give you options to let you know instructions, things to read. You can take your time to read them. They give you safety tip on how to keep your assets safe. Okay, your assets can be transferred by anyone who gets your private key or your recovery phrase. So, or your mnemonics, or they are called seed phrase. Some call it recovery phrase, some call it seed phrase, some call it mnemonics, then or private key. So always keep them safe. So just click next, and then these are your secret phrase. Once you click this place now, it becomes visible, and then it is always advisable for you to copy it down somewhere, not just saving it in your email or copying it to click. It's better you get a jotter or a diary, a book that you can always write these things and keep them very safe, out of the reach of anybody, where only you can get access to them, because whoever gets access to that book and have access to all your recovery phrases or your private key, then sorry, whatever fund you have in your wallet might be moved and be stolen away from your wallet. So okay, now that I've touched it, okay, I'm using this practically for example. So you can see these are the 12 secret phrase. Always write them down. Then after that, click next. So you'll be asked to be sure that you can go back to be sure that you have written them down. You'll see you are going to be asked to provide each of the secret phrases to be sure that you got them right. Once you have done that, your wallet is ready for use. So other things you should pay attention to, you can choose also to disable some extensions sometimes. Maybe some of them interfere. So for instance, you can see I have disabled my BitGet wallet. You can see I have disabled my OKX wallet because it easily interferes with MetaMask sometimes. I've disabled my Trust wallet, my Venom wallet. Okay, sometimes they are just some, most projects ask for MetaMask, or MetaMask is the best to use for this project, but there are some projects that may specify the particular wallet that they want, especially for instance Solana project. Any project based on Solana will always ask you for Phantom wallet. So you can see it's basically the same way to set them up. Anyone you want to disable, you can disable. If I want to enable it, just to click this button, and here is enabled, then disable, and then I can remove. So you see, once I disable it now, if I come here to check, you see the list will not be here. For instance, look at the Tron Pocket we just installed. If I come now and I disable it here, once I come here, you see that the Tron Pocket is no longer here. So basically, this is how you set up your Mrs. Browser to begin your Web3 journey. If as a result of space, your phone space is not that much and you're unable to install the Mrs. Browser, because I think the megabyte of Mrs. Browser is a bit higher than that of Kiwi. Maybe you are able to install Kiwi. It's basically the same process. So when you open it, you have a page. So it does not have these other options like Mrs. Browser does, but you can also navigate. So for instance, if you want to install the MetaMask extension, how do you do that? You click these three dots, and then you're going to see extensions. Anyone that you have installed, look at, you are going to see them here, down here. So but now click extensions. When you click extensions, you're going to see from store. Click from store, and when you click from store, it will open up the Chrome Web Store, and then you will have to search. For instance, I want to install, okay, let me say Trust Wallet extension. And then I click search. So you're going to see now Trust Wallet, beta, different options. So I think the first is what you are looking for. Then drag here, then touch the particular one you are looking for. Then it will open up. Then just like we did in the Mrs. browser, it's still the same thing. So you're going to see the option to add to Chrome, or to, now it's okay. Yeah, I think I already have it in mind. So you see it's showing remove from Chrome. So just the same way, once you see add to Chrome, click it, it will bring out an option, click OK, and then it gets installed. So once it's installed, touch these three dotted lines, come here and scroll down, and you're going to see your extensions. But I think Kiwi browser show maybe only 3 or thereabout. So if you want to see all your extensions, just come here and click the extensions icon, and then you're going to see all the extensions you have installed in your phone. These are wallet extensions. And so this is basically how you set up your Mrs. browser or your Kiwi browser to begin your crypto, Twitter farming, social engagement, dropping, and so on and so forth. So this is the first part of this beginning a journey in the Web3. I will make a continuation of this video, and this will be basically security, how to keep ourselves safe, because just the way there are a lot of opportunities in Web3, there are a lot of scammers out there. So you may suffer to gain something good, and someone within a twinkle of an eye will just steal them for you. So what are the precautions? What are the things we should pay attention to so that we don't lose our hard-earned money or crypto? Please, if you find value in this video, please comment, let us know. And if you want more updates like this, not just about how to participate in one project or the other, but it's also a platform for us to learn, because I believe that it is better to learn before you earn. When you learn and you know, it will be difficult for people to scam you out there. And please know that the crypto space is not a get rich quick scheme where you want to come in today and make money suddenly overnight. No, you must learn patience in the crypto space. You must also learn to acquire the necessary knowledge that you need to navigate through everything. So if there is any particular thing that bothers you, or what you do not understand concerning this whole project, a dropping, farming, things you need to know, you can always put your request in the comment section of our videos, and we attend to them as soon as possible. So to come again your way next time, please, if you are yet to subscribe to our channel, do so. Hit the notification bell so that each time we make new videos, you'll be one of those to be notified first. Also, like this video and share this video. Till we come your way again next time, we remain yours faithfully, Crypto Bouncy.